Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. So today in this video I am going to share some tips and tricks for long lasting and smudge proof kajal. So if you are interested then keep on watching. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. Tip number 1. The most important step is to cleanse your eyes before starting any eye makeup to remove any traces of oil and dirt. Now start applying any eye primer or any base on your under eye area. Here I am using my BB cream. So you can use either BB cream or any foundation, it's your choice. Just dot it under your eyes and I'm dabbing it and blending properly into my skin. So don't forget to apply it on your upper eyelid area also. So similarly repeat the process on the other side of your eye. This step keeps the kajal from smudging and it will also make your eye makeup last for longer time. Next tip is to set your base. So for that I am using baby powder. With the help of my brush I am going to set this base. You can also use any compact powder also. So this step helps to make your kajal stay in place. So remove if there is any excess powder left with the help of brush. And next step is applying kajal. Here I am using Stay Quickly Bada's kajal. Start applying the kajal to your lower waterline. For one stroke only, it's really very pigmented. If you want to apply thick kajal, then line it until you get the desired thickness. I like this kajal very much because it's really very pigmented. So similarly do it, line your kajal on other eye also. So once I have applied my kajal on lower lid, now I am giving a tight line to upper eyelid like this. This trick will instantly make your eyelashes look thicker and help to make your eyes pop. So similarly I am doing this, I am closing my eyes and doing this on other side also. So final step is again I am going to set my under eye with this powder. So this helps to make your kajal long lasting and smudge proof. I used to follow these simple steps while applying my kajal, so do try this and share your experience with me. If you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.